Hello, CB Tech Stuff. So, this video is a little bit different. I'm going to talk about why I quit crypto mining. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. This is basically it. I can't afford it. I'm not making any profit on it. It's just too expensive. As a matter of fact, I can probably show y'all how much I spent on it here. Here we go. So these are my overall expenses here. This is everything I've spent. Everything I've purchased and bought. Just to kind of keep track of everything. As well as stuff I have sold. Quite a bit of it I haven't been able to sell. This actually does need to be updated, but so I'm about 2,500 in the hole. Well, after reselling everything, I'm actually closer to 1,900 in the hole. But my return of an income, it ain't happening. And that's not even including power costs. Okay? So my power costs aren't included on here because before I moved to where I am now, obviously, I was not paying for power. I was actually living with my parents. Okay? And they were okay with that. I wasn't really paying anything. It wasn't a big deal up until right before I moved. My dad brought it up that the power bill was over $500, and he tracked it back to electronics and basically deducted that it was my mining rig. I did not know it was drawing that much power. Guess I should have known that. But since I'm now on my own and paying for my own power, I haven't even been running Quick Miner on my PC. I've full on quit mining. And I've actually sold, as you saw a while ago, quite a bit of my mining stuff. About half my GPUs. I still have a couple of them. But yeah, that plus coupled with all the crap going on in Ukraine right now, it's just not a good time to mine. If anything, it's probably a better time to buy than to mine. I haven't really been buying any of that either, honestly, just because I'm trying not to spend a lot of money. So, electricity costs, plus space. I don't want to crowd out my space. Plus my internet isn't the fastest. I'm paying about almost $80 a month for 20 megabits per second. Not really getting that. So, that's where I'm at with this. I'm done crypto mining. And the bad part about it is I can't even sell my Raven coin for some reason because my wallet keeps saying that I have too many small transactions to transfer or sell the majority of it at once. Haven't figured that one out yet. Anyway, there you have it. I haven't made return on income. Electricity's too expensive. Don't have space. Internet's too slow. Yeah. No more mining for me. I'll actually put what GPUs I have left, the links to those, they're on eBay, on the description of this video, if anybody's interested in that. I have a 1060 and what else do I have? I think I still have another 474 gigabyte. Those are available. The 1060 is a good GPU. Also still have the Presario. I'm trying to sell that thing. If that thing doesn't sell, I'll probably eventually turn it into a sleeper and then sell it. Or just give it to somebody. I don't know. CB Tech Stuff out.